Hi everyone, in this video, we will talk about Leapsome HR tutorial, full HCM demo for beginners. So first, what is Leapsome? Leapsome is an all-in-one people enablement platform mainly used for performance management, employee engagement service, goal settings or OKRs, feedback and praise, learning and development, one-by-one meetings, and HR analytics. It's designed for modern HR teams and managers to improve employee growth and culture in fast-paced organizations. On getting started, But get started by logging in. Your HR team will send an invite, log in and set up your profile. Upload profile picture, add your role, department, and manager. For the dashboard overview, it will consist of upcoming reviews, pending feedback requests, goal progress, and action items from one by ones. Pro tip, think of the dashboard as your command center. Now, for performance reviews, how to create or participate in reviews. Go to reviews, then go to start a review cycle. Choose participations, reviewers, and templates. There are pre-made or custom questions. Now, as an employee, answer self-review prompts and add evidence. As a manager, review team performance, give constructive feedback, and then finalize and share result. Now, for goal and OKRs. How to set goals. First, go to goals, then create goal. To define the goal name, set as public, private, or team-based, add key results, and assign contributors. Some tip is connect goals to company-wide objectives for alignment. On tracking progress, update key results regularly, and Leapsome will show a visual progress bar. Now for feedback and praise. For giving feedback, first go to feedback, then go to give feedback. Choose recipient, either teammate, direct report, or manager. Then select what type, write feedback, and then decide if it's private or public. Now for the praise wall, public shoutouts appear on the praise wall. Builds a positive team culture. Some tip is use praise regularly to boost morale. Now for the 1:1 meetings, scheduling a meeting. First go to meetings and go to new 1:1. Pick your manager or direct report and then set recurring schedule. Add talking points. Now during the meeting, take notes in the shared agenda and assign follow-up action items. Now on learning and development, go to learning module. Access it on the company, created courses, and external content integrations. Track completed courses and certifications. Now for engagement surveys. Go to surveys, then create new survey. Select templates, and then customize question or use best practice templates, and then schedule and send. Now on analyzing survey result, first view response rates, see heat maps for strengths and focus area, and track trends over time. Now, for HR analytics and reporting. First go to analytics, then dashboard. The metrics include goal completion rates, engagement trends, feedback participation, and then review cycle completion. Some tip is use these insights to refine HR strategies. And that's basically it.